One of the main features of our abdominal opening and closure suture pad is that it can be used and reused multiple times by repairing it. So the suture pad here actually has been used 3 times already and been repaired, and you can see the repair is super strong. So I will demonstrate how to do this procedure. So let's cut a little incision. So we have our incision, and all we gotta do is use the provided silicone cartridge that includes A and B silicones, and it has super fast curing silicone, so the cure time of this is only 5 minutes. So we have to work pretty quick, and all we gotta do is twist the cap to remove it, and then dispense the contents into the provided cups. So this will dispense both. As soon as that's done, we just quickly mix this up. And we have about 1 minute to make sure this is thoroughly mixed. So scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, make sure everything is fully mixed. And then we can just start applying the silicone. So we'll start from the inside of the model, make sure we get all the way in. And depending on the size of the incision you had, you might need a little more, a little less silicone. For example, here, it's pretty small. So you can see the silicone is getting kind of sticky and tacky. And this is the moment when we gotta push the incision back together and just hold it for a minute or 2. So once the silicone has been cured, we can confirm it here in the cup, and we can just clean it up a little bit, and the model is ready to go.